Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lacquer Lover, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to paint this design inspired by the comeback trailer for BTS's comeback with Map of the Soul persona. Start by applying base coats all of your fingernails. Then paint your index, middle, and ring fingernails a dusty beige. Paint your pinky fingernail white and your thumbnail purple. Next, I'm going to be writing "Who am I" on my beige nails. I'm writing "Who" on my index fingernail, then "am" and "I" on my middle fingernail, and I'm drawing a question mark for my ring fingernail. I separated the "I" and the question mark because I feel like having a nail with just the question mark creates a sort of confusion and mysterious feeling that I guess I've been feeling in terms of my future and what I'm going to be doing in the future and where I'll be heading. For the pinky fingernail, I'm starting with purple polish to sort of frame the nail by just drawing two long vertical lines on the side. And this is to sort of replicate the fabric that flows down the side of the building and that has Namjoon written on it in the music video. So instead of a sort of responsibility that he has or an image that he has to put up with as RM or rap monster or the leader of BTS, it's his true identity. And for me, I wrote Lacquer Lover in Hangul, and if I were doing this for myself, I would totally just write my birth name here. So that's something I would consider if you were to recreate this design. And for the thumbnail, I'm just going to be writing LL, which are my initials. Then I just added a generous layer of top coat over this design. I used a glossy top coat, but I think a matte one would have looked really cool as well. So that's it for this tutorial. If you guys enjoyed watching it, then please give it a big thumbs up. It's super simple, but I thought it was like the perfect time to figure out who I am and to figure out my own map of the soul.